This is TWiT.
Speaking of superiority, we should talk about the blobs. We should talk about the blobs.
They are superior.
The blobs, they're so superior, they've got almost deity-like status. Gboard's Emoji Kitchen is getting a library update, and it's bringing back some of the blob aesthetic. Now, if you want to mix in some emoji, send maybe a cute little like sticker instead of the typical usual Unicode emojis that are included in the Gboard app, you could send a little blob. Gboard's also getting a feature to recognize and recommend stickers based on the conversation context, which is going to be a lot more helpful when it comes to finding the Emoji Kitchen stickers. And all of this is server side, so you don't have to worry about updating anything. It's gonna, well, you do have to worry about it, but you don't have to worry about manually pushing the update.
We'll worry about a lot of things, but we will not worry about the blob update coming to Emoji Kitchen.
No, because remember, everyone, we are all blob's children.
The long
this is when you
national
show the
nightmare is
link
over.
that I put in there, which was posted by Jennifer Daniel, who is on Emoji Chair.
There it is.
Yes,
there
at
it
the
is.
very
Aren't we happy
bottom,
we
we're
waited
all
for
blob's
that?
children. I just thought it was.
Is it
going.
so? Are you happy to have your blobs back in a sticker form? Is this something you're going to use?
Well, I will say I use these all the time. So you'll probably see them come up. Like I can use them on Instagram, which is great. So when I post an Instagram story, I use the Emoji Kitchen. I love Emoji Kitchen. It's super fun.
You know what?
And if you follow Jennifer Daniel, since she is the one who helps, program these things, I'm assuming, she will usually post like formulas so you can kind of figure out like what you have to type in to get some of the different stickers. But the fun of Emoji Kitchen is just typing in and trying to come up with a sticker that matches the conversation situation. So.
Oh, okay. I had never heard of Emoji Kitchen before this story.
So if you type in, so here's the deal. Let me tell you really quickly if you're going to try it on your own. When you go into Gboard and you're looking for an emoji, it's not going to come up. So when you go into the emoji search and you're searching like thinking face, right? Mm-hmm. Type in the thinking face. Where Emoji Kitchen works best is with the recently typed emoji. So it takes a little bit of work to like get used to how to bring them up because they're two separate features, if that makes sense. The emoji search and the Emoji Kitchen. So when you do Emoji Kitchen, just go into the direct like emoji menu and type in like one or two emoji to see what comes up. And that's how it works. Don't search for a specific emoji.
Pro tip.
Does that make sense?
Don't search for a specific emoji.
Yeah, don't search for it, but try, Jason, if you just go into like the recently used emoji and hit one or two, like you'll start to see formulas come up.
Okay, so I think I'm in Gboard anyway. So there's my keyboard. So I'm going into the emoji area, right?
Nope, that's not emoji. That's stickers.
Oh, that's stickers.
Yes,
oh,
emoji's
emoji
a
area.
Little smiley face.
Down there.
And now go up. Yeah, there you go. And type in that smiley face and that heart.
Smiley.
No, don't search. This is what you should not do. Do not search because it won't come up.
I feel so old right now. Okay. We can do this. Together we can do this. Okay, so in my doc, I'm actually typing smiley face.
In your recently used.
Smiley.
No.
Okay, so I've got... No?
No. Go back to the emoji window.
Okay.
This is fantastic.
Now, Jason, I want you to tap on the first emoji and the second one on that screen and then see what comes up.
Okay.
There you go. Now tap the next one.
Okay. They're
Is anything
entering.
coming up?
Nothing. Should I be seeing something different than that?
Are you using Gboard?
Yeah, I mean Gboard is the default, isn't it?
Yes.
It's the default keyboard.
You know what?
Okay.
It doesn't work in Google Keep. You need to go into a messaging app to get it to work.
No!
Yeah, I know. It's so ridiculous. But look, I'm going to do it for you right now. I don't mean ridiculous in a bad way.
I don't know. It's kind of ridiculous. It should have worked.
Why
there.
wouldn't it work?
Why
in
doesn't it
Keep?
work
What the
in
hell?
Keep?
Okay. Here,
I don't
I'll
understand
show
why it
you
doesn't
on
work.
my screen very badly, but
Wait, keep going.
God,
Back
this
up.
is
Back
so
up.
hard to do.
The focus won't. You're too close. Back up. No, the other way. Flow. There you go. Now go.
I see it. I can show it off now. I get it. I understand. Okay.
Do it in Hangouts. It will work. You can't. Yeah, it only works in like a messaging app that accepts these kind of stickers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All right. So I
so
did.
if
I did
you-
the
if the app
smiley,
you're using
the
doesn't accept
eyes
these
closed,
stickers-
smiley face, and the heart, and then it pulled up these as options. Is that it?
Yes.
And if I do that,
Do the magic wand in the bat.
oh, there we go. Okay. Well, there we go. And now you know what I'm making for dinner on Thursday and Friday. There you go. Don't tell anyone I'm making halibut tacos on Thursday and I'm making
Stop it.
grilled
We can't
chicken
talk about
thighs on
food.
Friday.
It's dinner time. We're not talking about food on this show right now. We're not doing it.
All right, fine. Wow, we are
do
all
it.
over the map tonight.